Good morning, my dear students. Now we discuss the topic about potential distribution across string. Normally, we know in transmission line we using suspension type insulators. Number of discs are connected in series. Each disc will handle 11 kV. The potential distribution across string are very important. If the potential distribution across string not maintain constant causes, there is a damage of insulators. There is more chance of damage of insulator which is nearest to the conductor. Normally, the nearest to the conductor of the disc having more voltage compared to top of insulator. The number of insulators are placed in series one by one. The disc nearest to the conductor having maximum voltage, disc top conductor having less voltage. But the main aim is in order to maintain potential distribution across string is same to stop the damage of equipment. We can see what is potential distribution across. A suspension insulator is basically a string of number of porcelain discs connected in series through metallic links. So each porcelain disc connected in series through metallic links. Metallic link is a conductor. It shall be noted that the number of discs in suspension insulator can be increased or decreased by adding extra disc or removing a disc. Below show typical suspension insulator diagram. So these are the suspension type insulators. The number of insulators are 3 insulators. V is the voltage distribution across string. The voltage distribution across string. V3, V2 and V1. This is a tower. Normally this is a conductor. Conductor nearest to the disk. Which is the conductor nearest to the disk, which is called V3. The potential distribution across the conductor nearest to the disk is V3 having more voltage compared to top of disk. This top of disk having less voltage means the V3 greater than V2 greater than V1 voltage because the nearest conductor having disk having more voltage. So our aim is to maintain the voltage distribution across string is same. We using 3 insulators. The potential distribution will be same means V by 3, V by 3, V by 3. If you using 4 discs, the potential distribution V by 4, V by 4 and V by 4. If you using 5 insulators, the distribution V by 5, V by 5 and V by 5. So how can you achieve this? Normally it is impossible. The disc nearest to the conductor having more voltage V3 greater than V2 greater than V1. A porcelain disc remained in between the metallic links, therefore each disc acts as a capacitor. Therefore, if we draw the equivalent circuit for suspension insulator, it will be shown in figure B. So every disc is connected one by one. Every disc connected in between metallic links, two metallic links. In between two metallic links, middle the disc is a insulate. Already we know the capacitance will be exist. Any two conductors are separated by an insulator. which is a very important. Any two conductors, metallic links act as a conductors. Any two conductors are separated by an insulator. Definitely, the capacitance C exists. The capacitance C exists. So two metallic links in between insulator. Capacitance exists. Two metallic links in between disc act as an insulator. Definitely, capacitance will be exist. This is called self-capacitance. So the formation of capacitance in between two metallic links will called as a self-capacitance. There is another capacitance in between metallic link to the tower body. Normally tower is a conductor, metallic link is a conductor. Air act as a insulator. In between metallic link and tower body, air act as an insulator. Already we know two conductors are separated by an insulator. The capacitance will be exist. Means they have two capacitance exist. One is self capacitance C, another one is mutual capacitance or shunt capacitance. Shunt capacitance we will call as a shunt capacitance. Self capacitance and shunt capacitance. Actually, in addition to self-capacitance of porcelain disc, there also exists capacitance in between the metallic link of suspension insulator and grounded tower body. This capacitance is known as shunt capacitance. Now, due to this shunt capacitance, the charging current through each porcelain disc will no longer be same, rather it will be decreases as we move from the disc nearer to the power conductor to the disc farthest from the power conductor as shown in figure below. There is a two capacitance. One is self capacitance, another one is C1 is shunt capacitance. Self capacitance exists in between two metallic links. Shunt capacitance exists in between metallic link to the grounded tower body. If there is a only self-capacitance, the voltage distribution across string is same. So whenever there is a shunt capacitance C1, definitely the voltage distribution is not same. The voltage distribution nearest to the conductor having maximum voltage. There is a nodes, node A, node B, node C. In node A, the current, charging current I2 is the equal to I1 plus small I1. Small I1 is nothing but charging current due to shunt capacitance. Capital I1 is due to charging current due to self capacitance. This for shunt capacitance, this for self capacitance. I2 is equal to, according to Kirchhoff's law, I2 is equal to I1 plus small I1. The tower body. This is a node points, node points, node point, and node point. As can be as can be seen from the figure above, I3 greater than I2 greater than I1. Therefore, V3 greater than V2 greater than V1. Already we discussed. The V3 is nearest to the conductor having maximum voltage. V3 greater than V2 greater than V1. String efficiency. Normally, how can we find out the string efficiency? The voltage across string by number of insulators or number of discs in suspension insulators. Number of discs in suspension insulator into voltage across the disc nearest to the conductor into 100. Once again, string efficiency is equal to voltage across string by number of disks in suspension insulator into voltage across the disk nearest to the conductor. C1 is equal to shunt capacitance. C is equal to self capacitance. Let us assume that C1 is equal to Kc, where K is some constant. K is equal to C1 by C. Very important formula. K is equal to C1 by C. C1 shunt capacitance, C self capacitance. K is equal to C1 by C. Take one node, that node point, according to Kirchhoff's law, I2 is equal to I1 plus small I1. What is I2? The charging current. What is I1? Charging current. So capital I2 charging current in self capacitance. Small I1 is the also charging current due to shunt capacitance. At node point, according to Kirchhoff's law, current entering the node is equal to current leaving the nodes. Current entering the node is I2. Current leaving the node is I1 plus small I1. So already we know the charging current formulas, that is V2 omega C is equal to V1 omega C plus V1 omega C1. So V2 omega C is equal to V1 omega C plus V1 omega C1 can be replaced with Kc. Already we know K is equal to C1 by C. C1 is a shunt capacitance, C is a self capacitance. Take V1 as a common, we get V2 is equal to V1 of 1 plus K. This is the first equation. V2 is equal to V1 of 1 plus K. Similarly, take another node, that is a I3 is equal to I2 plus small I2. Already I said earlier, I3 is a charging current due to self capacitance. Small I2 is a charging current due to shunt capacitance. I3 is equal to current entering the node I3, current leaving the nodes I2 plus small I2. So charging current formulas, V3 omega C is equal to V2 omega C plus V1 plus V2 of omega C1. So already we know V2 is equal to V1 of 1 plus K. Replace it, V2 replaced with V1 of 1 plus K. So finally we get V3 is equal V2 plus V1 plus V2 of K. Please replace V2 is equal V1 of 1 plus K. Putting the value of V2 from equation 1. So KV1 plus V2 of 1 plus K. So finally we get V3 is equal to V1 of K square plus 3K plus 1. V3 in terms of V1 is equal to V3 is equal to V1 of K square plus 3K plus 1. Now voltage between conductor and earth, total voltage across string is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. What is a V1? Normally V1, V2 in terms of V1, V3 in terms of V1. Please substitute the values, putting the values of V2 and V3 from 1 and 2. What we get, v1 of 3 plus 4k plus k square, that can be rewritten as v1 of 1 plus k of 1 plus 3k. Total voltage v is equal to v1 of 1 plus k 1 plus 3k. V1 is equal to total voltage v by 1 plus k of 1 plus 3k. V is equal to V1 of 1 plus k plus 1 plus 3k. Therefore, V1 is equal to V by 1 plus k of 1 plus 3k. What is the value of V2 in terms of V1? V2 in terms of V1, V2 is equal to V1 of 1 plus k. V3 is equal to V1 of 1 plus 3k plus k square. So here, what is the string efficiency? voltage distribution across string V, number of insulators or number of discs are 3, voltage across the disk nearest to the conductor is V3. V by 3 into V3 into 100, that is a string efficiency. From the above expression of V1, V2 and V3, we observe that more the value of K, more non-uniform is the potential distribution across the disk and hence less is the efficiency of string. These are the very important point. More no, because of the value of k increases, the potential distribution across the string is a non-uniform. So maintain the k value as less as possible for increasing the efficiency of string. Once again, decrease the value of k causes increasing the string efficiency. Also, as the number of discs increases in the suspension insulator, the inequality in voltage distribution increases. Thus, shorter string has more efficiency than larger string. The number of insulators or number of discs are less, definitely that is a more string efficiency. The number of insulators are high, definitely the string efficiency is low. String efficiency always depends upon the value of k. If you decrease the value of k, definitely the string efficiency is increases. So how can you increase the string efficiency, we discuss later. That's a very important phenomena. Finally, what we say, how we say the potential distribution across string. The potential distribution across string is non-uniform because of shunt capacitance C1. Where the more voltage is placed, the more voltage is the disc nearest to the conductor having more voltage. There is more chance of breakdown of insulator. So in order to overcome that one, we maintain the potential distribution across string is same.